In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily enable autoplay videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch to the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner to go to Settings. Then tap the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the page until you found the Media option under Settings. Tap on it. In the Media settings, find the Autoplay section. Here you will find the option to autoplay videos. If you want to enable autoplay, make sure it's set to Wi-Fi only or mobile data and Wi-Fi. This option will help you control video autoplay depending on your connection type. That's it. You have successfully enabled video autoplay on Facebook. If you found this video useful, please be sure to click the like button. Thanks for watching.